name's Jake James, and I'm in a band in Tallahassee, Florida called Kill Clouseau. What I wanted to do is actually go over just some fundamentals on the piano for people out there that are just learning to play. I wanted to actually go over the C major scale, show you the proper way to hold your hands, how to practice a scale and practice it being relaxed, and also a proper finger technique so you can actually build up some speed. So with that being said, I'm going to move the camera around to a better position so you can see my hands and how I'm holding my fingers when I do this. Okay, starting with the C major scale. You want to have your hand relaxed. Have it almost where it feels like there is a ball inside your hand. That's the way you want your hand to feel when it's at the piano or keyboard. I have keyboards that I play. I always try to have the same technique. And I would try to, if you're playing on a keyboard, try to play on something that has weighted keys because it does strengthen your fingers, unlike weighted keyboards that don't have weighted keys in there. Yes, you can play faster on them, but at the same time you don't get that strength built up in your fingers and your hands. So try to play on weighted keys, a piano or a keyboard that has weighted keys in it. Okay, for the C major scale, thumb on middle C, and just let the weight of the finger fall on the key. Don't push. You want to actually let the thumb drop. Same with the other fingers. And now remember too to release the previous finger when you hit the next note. When you get to F, you're going to have to cross under with your thumb and then back over to finish out the scale. Notice at the same time I'm also doing my wrist in the direction that I'm playing. You want to play with the wrist because you're going to end up getting to some pieces where you have to stretch your fingers really far apart, and you can't do that just by stretching your fingers. You're going to have to learn to use your wrist to be able to get to the notes. So always practice going in the direction that you're going on the piano with the notes. What you can do to build up speed like this is do the first section by itself to the crossover point and stop there and practice getting that as fast as you can. Because now I'm getting up speed that's almost as fast as doing what they call a glissando on the piano, where you So practice doing that, and then when you get to the crossover point, you want to continue all the way up the keys. So